The 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, leather trim seats, traction control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, voice activated navigation system, fog lights, power windows, heated steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.